Hi guys. Right now I'm gonna do some journaling because I am really very free and it's like 11 or 11:30 around something. I still have almost half an hour or 45 minutes to get ready, and I don't have much to get ready. I'll just be putting on a dress. I've already decided what to wear. Actually, I have a few choices which I'll be picking. I'll be deciding what to wear. I'll pick one out surely, and one is still in process. It's not an option yet, but it can be अगर mama can alter it in time. So also अभी I just washed my hair, so I'm kinda skeptical if I need to straighten them or if they'll be behaving good until I get ready, or else I'll have to straighten them. But also shampoo करने के just बाद whenever I straight या whenever I use any kind of heating equipment on my hair, it always does not work. It never works on right after I shampoo hair. So now I'm thinking if I should or if I should not, because फिर heat भी लगा दूँगी and बाल भी ख़राब होंगे and मुझे desired result भी नहीं मिलेगा. So I don't know, but we'll see. अभी mama is making me pohe which I'll eat, and then I'll have to get ready, before which I'll do a little skincare, थोड़ा सा mask वगैरह I'm going to have, थोड़ा सा कुछ I guess of 20 minutes, because there are under eye patches and lip mask and my face mask which I'll be doing all together. And right now I'm sitting here, I'll be journaling, and yeah, that's it. I'll get ready and I'll show you whole the process, so stay tuned. And I just uploaded a video on YouTube, so you can check it out. It is a week in my life at my fashion college, so yeah, you can check that out. And right now I'm doing my journaling so that I'm not behind on it, and I'm also gonna write a lot, like literally a lot, and I'm feeling really happy and really good. So I just wanted to document the whole feeling. Hi guys, पोहे खा लो. गाइस मैं पोहे खा रही हूँ. अभी से दिख नहीं रहा है कि मेरे बाल धुले हुए हैं, बट ये धुले हुए हैं. लाइक जस्ट आज ही शैम्पू हुआ है और मैं पोहे खा रही हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई मैं ऐसे रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, बट मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. बाय बाय. ओके सो गाइस, अपन जा रहे हैं नीचे एंड मैं तैयार हो जाऊँगी. अभी तैयार नहीं हो रही हूँ, मुझे ऐसा आ रहा है. इट्स 12:15, 12:15 बज रही है. अभी मुझे तैयार होना चाहिए ताकि मैं फट से रेडी हो जाऊँ और मैं जल्दी से पहुँच जाऊँ, बट मुझे नहीं जाना. मुझे जाना है. ओके सो या, स्किन केयर, मास्क, लेट्स गो. ओके सो all we have are these. I'm not big on skincare or even masks. मेरी बहन does all of that. She makes some घर की चीज़ों से मास्क एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड देन जो भी बच जाता है वो मुझे दे देती है. सो अभी आई एम गोइंग टू फर्स्ट पुट दीज. मुझे एक तो लगाने भी नहीं आता. दिस इज़ लिटरली माई फर्स्ट टाइम एवर डूइंग दिस. मैंने फेस मास्क लगाया, बट अंडर आई पैचेस एंड लिप मास्क नाडा, नेवर. सो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम. क्या सीरम ही हाथ में लगा लिया. आई डोंट नो इफ दिस शुड बी लाइक दिस, बट दिस लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली लाइक अ लिप. इसके बाद आई वोंट बी एबल टू स्पीक. So let's go. took the mask off and it was really hydrating. You can literally see. So I'll just scrub that all my face. Rub that all in my face. And that lip mask, whatever that was, it was shit. And it was really itchy, like over here. तो वो ऊपर हो गया था after my face mask, but I couldn't place it right. The eye mask though was really good. I didn't even feel it. And this her face mask was so hydrating. I didn't even knew. I just bought it. So I'll have to let it dry. And there's so much still in the mask and in the packet of the mask. Oh my god, it'll hurt so much to throw it away. I'll just rub it, moisturize like really good. Come back to you. Okay, so guys, I'm getting ready right now, and I think that I'll be on time for once, but I'm still skeptical because abhi I've just started to get ready. Abhi light bhi chali gayi thi, and yeah, this is my dress. I'll show you the whole outfit once I get ready. But before that, you will have to suffice for this angle. Okay, so I just did my base and right now I'm going in for foundation and then uske baad I'll be done with base. I did highlighter. What is this? Color corrector. I just did that and I did concealer and now I'm jumping onto foundation and then I'll almost be done with my makeup. I'm still very much late because I need to shave. I'm so sorry guys, I have to let you know about that, but that is going to happen. But you won't need to see that. So you just need to know that. That's it. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay, so guys, this is my whole outfit. I don't think you can see. Wait. Okay, here. This is my whole outfit. You still can't see, but okay, so I went for these pearl earrings, diamond earrings, sorry, and this little minimal bracelet, and then I did a nice makeup. I think I look good. I don't do lip gloss to be honest, but this looks good and I think this is too much, so maybe I'm gonna change, but it's gonna like get all subtle. You can literally see me in the mirror. This doesn't do much. This dress looks good and then the makeup goes with it, so I'm actually okay. I straightened my hair, but I'm damn sure कि वो वापस normal हो ही जाएंगे. I just need serum. बाल बहुत frizzy हो रहे हैं because of shampoo day, so yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so I'll meet you at the party. Guys, say hi. Hi. Jai say hi. आने जा रहे हैं सोनाक्षी के घर पे।
Yes.
सोनाक्षी के घर
ये
पे
पार्टी में हमें
and
कुछ भी नहीं
क्योंकि
दिया।
हमें पार्टी में ढंग का खाना नहीं मिला है।
इससे अच्छा कैंटीन का होता है
ये वाओ भाई, ये सोनाक्षी, वेरी गुड सोनाक्षी। गाइस से हाय।
भाई घर के
हम दिख रहे गंदे, पूरे ड्रेन्ड आउट। आप जाके हम खाना
बताओ पार्टी कैसी थी?
वाहियात बकवास।
क्यों, ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
टाइम पास हुआ है। 400 रुपये मैंने बर्बाद कर आगे जाने के।
गाइस मेरी गाड़ी बंद हो गई है। मेरी फ्रेंड के हॉस्टल से मैं घर के काफ़ी क्लोज वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस तक मैं आ गई, उसके बाद ये बंद हुई है। सो थैंक गॉड। अभी मैं घर जा रही हूँ एंड आई टेल यू अबाउट द डे अभी, बट द डे इज़ ऑल अराउंड दिस नाउ। इसमें पेट्रोल दिखा रहा है, इसमें ना ये पेट्रोल ब्लिंक कर रहा है सिर्फ एक ही, चल जाती पेट्रोल पंप तक। मैं इसे पेट्रोल पंप ही लेके जा रही थी अभी, बट अभी बंद हो गई एंड अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, अब मुझे घर जाना पड़ेगा। आई एम ऑफ टू घर। मैं गाड़ी खींचते हुए वीडियो तो नहीं बना सकती, सो ओके। सो व्हाट हैपेंड आज के पूरे दिन was so hectic. It had to be fun. It was to be fun. Flash warning there. I'm not going to be able to speak straight in this video, either in Hindi or in English. So it's better I just speak in English so that मेरा mind would be in a working condition that I have to speak in English and just know, like I can just speak properly. अगर हिंदी में बोला तो you won't be able to understand a single word. So yeah, what happened today is simply that खाना उधर wasn't good. One of my friend and my sister had been to that place before, but आज द खाना वॉज नॉट गुड। आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड। कॉलेज वालों का बजट कम था, या आज दिन हमारा ख़राब था, या वहाँ पर खाना ही ऐसा मिलता है, या आज उन्होंने हमें खाना गलत दिया। तो वेदर इट वॉज ड्रिंक और फूड, नथिंग वॉज गुड। देन वॉशरूम्स वर वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट, सो वी वरंट एबल टू यूज़ देम। हमारी फ्रेंड के घर पे व्हेन वी वेंट, आई यूज्ड वॉशरूम फाइनली देयर, हाँ पूरे दिन में। एंड देन उसके बाद the DJ was very okay. I somehow got good photos though. I did. I was really like crybaby about it. I am always a crybaby about not getting good photos and ruining my outfits. So good photos are a good thing. And then yeah, that was all. But then when I was coming back home, I was like, I'll do something. At that time, my गाड़ी stops at a walking distance from my home, and I had to get to home somehow. तो उसे रगड़ते हुए Okay, so guys, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the next day. I was so tired, I could not shoot, and also my phone was out of storage, so I had to somehow just get storage to at least make this video. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next video, and if you like this one, I hope you'll like the others too. So please do check them out too, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description box. And if you don't want to follow, you can at least check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.